right, so here we go, guys. First up, we're gonna head up to our camp Jeep hill. Now this is our 40-degree, 30-foot high camp Jeep hill. And we're gonna take our Mojave up to the top using our 3.6-liter V6 Pentastar engine. 285 horsepower, 260 pound-feet of torque. Here we go, all the way up to the top at 40 degrees. Now we'll get to the top, we'll get ready to head back down another 40 degrees, and away we go. All right, guys, down to our next one. It is going to be the breakover obstacle. Now on the breakover, we're gonna stretch our front axle over that breakover point. We'll get up on 3 wheels right here. We'll use our 4-wheel drive to pull ourselves on through and over the breakover, up and over on 3 wheels right there, pull ourselves through using that 4-wheel drive. And now here we go, down to our next one is articulation. We're gonna put 2 wheels up high and 2 wheels down low as we put our Jeep sideways on this 30-degree tip. Now we can stay up here and not worry about our Jeep tipping over because of the low engineered center of gravity. Down to our next one is ground clearance. There's a little more than 11 inches of ground clearance in our Gladiator Mojave. So here at Camp Jeep, we never take elevators. We always take the stairs. Up and over we go. Back down to the bottom as we shake all the loose change out of your pockets right there. Up to our next one, and this is our last one, guys. It is called the off-camber demonstration. Now on our Gladiator Mojave, we have solid data 44 axles in the front and rear. We're gonna move them in 2 different directions at one time. So here we go, up and over we go. And back down to the bottom. There you have it, guys. That is your Gladiator Mojave. All right, guys, hang tight. We're gonna pull up one more spot. We'll drop you guys off. Did you guys have fun?
That was very impressive.
So much. Ridiculous.